We're about to do Curl Game's one product challenge using your Moisture Prop curling jelly. It's got flaxseed and argan oil, and it's 100% organic. So this hair has been straightened. It's been a month since I've straightened it. I have not washed it. It's dirty, it's dry. So I'm really curious to see what's gonna happen on straightened, dry, need some moisture hair with this jelly. So here we go. I'm just gonna take some of my jelly. And it's got like this really like jelly consistency. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna take some of that. There we go. Since how much I'm using, that much. It spreads so much and so quick. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at those curls. Oh my gosh. Oh, my hair is straight and dirty and I have not washed this. Can you imagine what this would do if I actually washed my hair and my hair was clean and I use water? Like, you cannot. Look at that. And look, my hair is detangled. It's detangled. I didn't have to comb it. This stuff just like, this jelly detangled my hair at the same time as it gave me curls. And I can literally just do this all over my head and then go. Like, I'm gonna put a little more. Oh my gosh, at my roots. Look how shiny. Oh my goodness, look how shiny that is. Like, I could just do this and go. And it's like, the more it's sitting on my hair, the more it's curling up and giving me really cute curls. Look at those curls. It's shiny, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel heavy and weighed down. Oh my gosh. There is zero crunchiness. It is so, like, you can crunch? There's no crunch. There's no crunch. It's super soft and like lightweight and airy. Look at these curls. Super light, super soft. My curls feel just amazing. They feel lightweight. There's no crunch. This is completely dry. Completely dry. Look at that. Look at the movement. It's not weighed down. Not weighed down, completely soft, completely crunch free, no flaking, no flaking. This stuff is amazing.